Hi all, Andrew here, your Labuan specialist. Better call me if you have any urgent inquiry or join us here for discussions on topics all related to Labuan Financial Centre. I've also included a resource link where you may find some useful information or materials. I hope my videos will continue to benefit you. Before my sharing, I would like to inform you that Malaysia is in lockdown until 14th of June, and yes, most businesses could not operate, even so for many governmental bodies in Malaysia. And this week, I would like to share on how you could do a proper and good business plan. I thought there is a need for me to share on this a little more so that when you are asked for a business plan, you will not be totally lost. There are mainly 6 parts to a good business plan, and the first being the profile of your company. It is basically your track record. Elaborate on what you have been doing all this while, which is splendid. Of course, you are proud of what you have done in the past that is successful. Or it could simply be what you have been doing that has brought you this far. Please be more elaborate when you are doing it. Second, you have the description of your business or your business activity. So, what would you be doing to make this business plan work? What are you selling? Everybody is selling something these days to make a living. So, would you just tell your client that you do, for example, sales and marketing in a simple one-liner? No, I do not think so. You will tell them, for example, I do digital marketing, customization of social media postings, search engine optimizations, Google Ads, and many more. So please imagine this when you are preparing your business plan, that a potential client or investor may be interested in your business and you are trying to make an impression upon them. Does that make sense? In the third part is where you introduce yourself. You want to emphasize why you are important to the company and what kind of experience do you have for your company. Fourth, manpower requirement, i.e. organization chart. This section is to describe how your organization would look in the near future. Would you, again, before an interested client or investor, tell them that my organization will remain 2%, me and my secretary? Unlikely. Your client most likely will not be impressed, and 2, if it is an investor, they may most likely tell you that you will not need their capital injection. So please do not do that. Do elaborate how your organization may grow and what are the potential job vacancies that may be created through your company. In the 5th section, we have the financial forecast. Usually it is required for 3 years, and similar to the above, big picture. You are to impress upon your investors, but this part requires you to be more realistic with numbers that you will insert and whether it will be logical. If you have simply plucked a number from the sky, anybody will be able to tell that your expenses and earnings doesn't add up and even make sense. That will make your business plan not feasible. For example, office rental, staff salary, traveling expenses, legal fees, and many others. Think of one or few so that your numbers in your financial forecast could seem logical. In this last section, there may be some relevant information that you may want to include in your business plan to support your application. If you are applying for a financial license, why should the authority grant you a license? So basically, it is a final submission to the authority to convince them that it is worthwhile their time reading your business plan or application. And if you are applying for a work permit, then whether your business plan is feasible, because our authority do look into those details. Thank you again for watching my videos. See you in my next one. Press on subscribe and the bell to get my latest updates. If you have any urgent questions, please do just call me or send me a WhatsApp message. If I did not pick up your call, I will be responding to you at the earliest. Thank you. See you.